this is how you buy a metro ticket in Tehran. This is the Tajrish Bazaar. This is Tajrish Square. We are in north of Tehran, and it's getting really cold because we're getting closer to the mountains, like you can see on the, I don't know if it's mosaic or... What a view, man. Mount Toshal. I wanted to summit it, but like you always have this plan when you go on holidays for like 2 weeks. You plan it like every day I'll do this, that, and then the first day you wake up at 12, you meet one weird guy and tells you, yeah, let's go 2 hours away from here. I spend the whole day like just drinking for coffee or something, and you do it. But in the end, like, you meet great people, so it's good. It's quite the walk actually from Tajrish metro station, last metro station of the line, I don't remember, the red line, to Darban, where I want to go. But it's good that it's for the walk. It's 40 minutes, I think. It's good. It's a good thing because I'm a bit stupid. In the bazaar, it was so hot that I left my jacket in the hostel, and it's getting cold here. The difference in temperature between just the bazaar and here, like coming to Darban, it's crazy. It's like 2 different cities. Insane. But the walk is making me warm. This is the actual sole reason why I came to Iran, because they have a Bobby Sands burger. And it's crazy because he was known for making hunger strikes against the British colonial government, and I'm going to get a burger, and he's saying, oh, I want one. Do you have a Bobby Sands burger special or no?
Yeah, Beirut, and I think special.
I want, please. I want one burger. Yeah, one kham, please. Why is it called Bobby Sands burger? That's very funny because I'm Irish.
Bobby Sands is a very
great revolutionary, I know, but it's yeah. Can I have a burger?
Yeah, one Beirut, yeah, okay.
Yes, one burger, yeah, and Coke, please. Coke.
What color you drink?
Red Coke, Coca-Cola.
Okay. Do you need anything?
No.
Salad, French fries?
French fries maybe.
French fries, yes.
Potatoes. No, I'm Irish. My name is Bilal.
Really good.
Yes, but
excellent.
They call me Billy Irish.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Don't worry, it's on me.
Huh?
Don't worry, it's on me.
It's not on you. No, never.
Thank you so much.
Don't know who Bobby Sands is, or first of all, go Google it, because I'm not going to explain it like perfectly, but he's an Irish revolutionary, a member of the IRA, I think, and he did this hunger strike for like 66 days, and the owner of the restaurant is not here. He was a revolutionary for the Iranian revolution, and he was inspired by Bobby Sands, and that's why he wanted to keep his legacy going by selling burgers in his name. That's poetic, I have to say. And this, my friends, is the Bobby Sands cat. Just like any cat would be interested in this monstrosity of a hand. All jokes aside, the fries are actually pretty good, and this isn't mayonnaise. It tastes like dough a little. Dough is like salty yogurt with the herbs. It's really good. Yeah, I'll put it here. I'm going to taste the burger with the chef himself. Huh? You cooked it. Huh? You cooked it, right?
No. Sentiment design really
like this. So, that's better. So you cooked it, right, the burger? Huh? No, you don't need to do. Shomo. How to say cook?
Man.
Shomo.
Sauce.
Shomo burger daram. Shomo. Dari. Shomo
Vale,
burger
vale.
dari. Yeah.
Vale. Instagram,
My
your page.
Oh, my face. I'll give you. Do you have? First, let's go. Let's taste it. In the memory of Bobby Sands, who died in a hunger strike.
Yeah.
May all the revolutions in the world come to a success.
Shirt. Why?
It's okay. No, it's like the Iranians. Iranians like to put like
Really?
yeah, like you Iranians you like to put it like this, and it's Iranians really love ketchup. Iranians, I think, yeah,
okay,
they really love
I know,
ketchup. They like
People in Iran are really good.
yes, I think so.
And like ketchup, yeah.
Yeah. Shomo, Tehrani asti?
Vale. Yes.
Here from Darvand?
Me from Shush. Ain, Akha. Yeah.
Sen side and us. Us.
My old 22.
22?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm still young. I'm
And you? I say
uh,
you're. Wait, please.
yeah?
25 or 4.
Beast hat.
Oh,
27.
27.
The Iranian way.
How long have you been here?
I've been here 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So, Shahar dead. Shahar, no. Yeah, was dead.
Yeah.
Shahar was dead. Shahar was dead. Days, I don't remember what to say. There are actually nuts in the burger. Very good. This burger is very good. You know what's better? Margaret Thatcher is burning in hell.
I
That's
know.
better, yeah.
I understand.
How long have you been working here?
2 years.
Oh,
2 years here.
2 years, okay.
Yeah. 2-year soldier. Yeah. I went to soldier just
Really early.
I wanted to come to airport. Just soldier.
To get the passport, so
Yeah.
you did
Just for a passport.
the military, because there is a military service like mandatory, and you can't get passport without
Okay,
doing the
alright.
military. Yes, okay.
Yeah, I know.
And you did it very early at 18.
What?
Hasht was there? Military.
گسته
مهم.
8 ماه منظورتونه چقدره؟ یه لحظه بایستیم.
What age? Sen zaten asked when you were a soldier. 18?
18, yeah,
18, so really young guy, directly.
18 went. I went to 18
And how was it?
to
Was it hard?
20.
How was it? Hard?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
really hard, okay. So hard. Please wait.
There's actual nuts in the burger, and I'm allergic to them, but I feel like, you know, the doctor when Chopper brings him the toxic mushroom. I can't say it.
This drink better than things.
What's this?
Classic.
It's beer?
Pilsner.
Non-alcoholic. Okay. You like?
Babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. I never drink Coke or
Really?
with calorie kind of just
It's,
classic.
it's for the energy.
Yeah. Here's the butt. Cheers.
Good beer. Non-alcoholic beer. You stopped school at all? You don't go to school anymore?
No understand,
No.
please.
Oh.
No.
No? You stopped at 18. Eat some fries. You didn't eat any fries. Eat.
No, thanks.
Come on.
It's cold, I think.
No, it's not good. It's really good. You're a hairdresser and this is your... Nice. That's really good. We're almost reaching Darband and you can hear, I think, and see, I don't know, see because of the night, but here a long stream of water. We are in the mountains now. You have rivers and all that. Some actual fog. If you're interested in the history of the Irish Revolution, Irish independence, I have two movies for you to watch. First one is Hunger. It's the story of Bobby Sands. It's a bit gore. Don't watch it with kids because, like, faces in on the walls and all that kind of stuff. Second one is my actual favorite movie, The Wind That Shakes the Valley by Ken Loach. That's the best movie for me. My favorite. He's holding the dog like a monkey. So it's really funny. Well, I've arrived, I think, in Darband. I'm in Darband. You can't really see much, but there's like mountains. I think this is the view or something like this. This is the way to go to the Telsiege. I'm not taking the Telsiege, but I'm taking the elevator. I want to see if there is some kind of view or something. It's a bit slow. Ooh. Okay, that's high. Because there's like first and second floor. The second floor is woo, it's pretty high. I think if you've seen my older videos, you know that I have a bit of fear of heights. Oh my. Oh. We have a view on Darband all the way to past Calum, something like this. I don't remember the name, sorry. And the Great Tehran. Oh, my fear of heights is kicking in. This is the view of Tehran. Let's go. Sorry if I came during the day, you couldn't see it, but they'll show you what it's like in the day. Did I say in the? I don't know. I don't remember what it is. My brain is. I think I'm brain dead right now. I'm a bit tired. I think it's the nuts. The allergy is kicking in. My mouth is burning. We've arrived. And this is Darband. I was thinking, like, on Google Maps, I was in Darband, but there's some pedestrian streets, like a climber and all that. This is Darband, ladies and gentlemen. You can get like up there a little bit. I don't have much battery and memory left. I will come back to Iran. I really love the country. I'll come back to it, and when I come back to Tehran, I will summit Mount Toshal. This is a promise. I will summit Mount Toshal. Well, this is the end of the video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.